Hey guys, once again, welcome back to Cryptology. Now that you have your Rarible profile set up, you know how to buy and sell NFTs. Let's show you how to create your very own NFT, and you can make a solid revenue stream from your artwork. Let's get started. Alright guys, so here on the Rarible homepage, you'll just go to this little hamburger looking button here. Go to Create Collectible. You can either choose to make a single collectible or multiple collectibles. I'm going to go ahead and make a single collectible. With single collectibles, you can do the exclusive timed auctions, which brings more eyes to your piece. The first section you'll see where you upload your file. I'm just going to push choose file. And I made this interesting Easter basket foot powder NFT that I'm going to upload. So we're going to try that now. It's a very unique NFT. I think this thing is going to go for thousands. Look at that. So now that our video is uploaded, it's an MP4 file, which is one of the supported files. You want to upload a cover. And usually I like to make an interesting cover that moves, so I convert this file into a GIF. I'm going to go ahead and upload the GIF now. So now it moves. It looks cool in your wallet, makes it more appealing to buyers. It's burning foot powder. Now you can choose to put it on the marketplace for a fixed price. You can choose a timed auction or just make it open for bids indefinitely. We're going to go ahead and make a timed auction. If you were to do a fixed price, you just put the price in. If you have multiple items, just put how many you'd like to create. But we're going to do the timed auction. Minimum bid of what? 0.002. Try that. Put starting date. Right after listing, you can choose many options for that or pick a specific date. You can put the expiration of the auction. We're going to do a 1-day auction. You can also choose the collection. You can make it a standard Rarible collection, or you can create your own custom collection, which costs a nice hefty gas fee typically, but it makes it more appealing to certain collectors. We're just going to do the Rarible collection. So for the title, I'm going to call it Soothing Foot Powder. I'll just put parentheses Inferno just to give it a little pizzazz. For my description, I'm going to go ahead and just copy and paste this goofy description I made. I will put and you can adjust your royalties. This is an important thing. You can put the amount you'd like to receive if anybody that buys your NFT sells it to another person. So you can make a little passive income if your NFT continues to sell. You can also get more detailed if you want to get advanced. You can put the size, all that other cool stuff. So we're going to go ahead and push create item. On this page you'll see a few steps that you need to follow for the minting process. Once you've completed all those, your item will be successfully minted and it will show up in your wallet. Well, that pretty much sums up creating an NFT in the basic level. If you guys think this video was helpful or informative, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.